Welcome to one spot, where machines are more than mechanics. They're emotion, where speed becomes art and precision fuels passion. This is where we explore the most iconic designs and ferocious performers the world has ever seen. Today we meet a superbike that has carved its name into motorcycling history through relentless innovation, track-bred DNA, and pure riding joy. This is the Honda CBR 1000RR. The moment you look at the CBR 1000RR, it whispers one thing: focus. It doesn't scream for attention with flashy gimmicks. It demands respect with design that serves purpose. Every inch is shaped by function. The sleek fairings, the aerodynamic lines, and the sharp tail section are all built for speed, stability, and rider integration. Honda calls it total control, and this bike is the embodiment of that philosophy. At the heart of the CBR 1000RR lies a 999cc inline 4 engine that delivers breathtaking performance. With nearly a 189 horsepower on tap and a throttle response that feels like an extension of your brain, this superbike launches with pure intent. It's not just about top speed, it's about how the power is delivered. Smooth, linear, and explosive when you need it. Whether you're exiting a corner or blasting down a straight, the connection between wrist and wheel is immediate. But what makes the CBR stand out is its precision. It's the kind of machine that rewards finesse. The chassis is compact and tightly engineered. The aluminum twin-spar frame provides the perfect balance between stiffness and flexibility. The weight is kept incredibly low, and that translates into razor-sharp handling. Every movement, every lean, every shift in body weight is met with fluid response. It's a bike that reacts, not resists. The suspension setup is world-class. Fully adjustable show big piston forks up front and a rear monoshock tuned for both track aggression and real-world usability. The suspension doesn't just absorb, it communicates. You feel the tarmac, you read the grip. And with every apex, the confidence builds. On higher trims, semi-active electronic suspension adapts on the fly, adjusting damping in milliseconds to suit your riding style, your inputs, and the road beneath you. Braking is sharp, progressive, and brutally effective. Twin 320mm front discs, clamped by radially mounted Brembo calipers, give you pinpoint stopping power. ABS comes standard and is finely tuned to never get in your way, even under the heaviest braking. The CBR lets you trail brake with confidence, knowing the electronics are there when you push the edge. And yes, this is a modern machine, so tech is a big part of the ride. A full suite of electronics powered by a 6-axis IMU keeps everything balanced. Traction control, wheelie control, engine braking management, launch control, all adjustable to match your skill and desire. You can tame it or unleash it, depending on your mood and your environment. Ride modes let you switch from street to sport to track settings with ease, customizing throttle maps, power delivery, and safety nets in seconds. The cockpit is designed for clarity and connection. A crisp, full-color TFT display puts all vital information at a glance. Speed, RPM, gear position, lean angle, lap times, ride mode, and more. The interface is intuitive, easy to navigate, and looks like it belongs in a race garage. Clip-on handlebars and rear set pegs place you in the perfect riding position, aggressive when needed, but not punishing when you're covering longer distances. The CBR 1000RR is more than numbers and stats. It's about feeling alive. About hearing that inline 4 scream to 13,000 RPM and knowing that every heartbeat of the engine was crafted with intention. The exhaust note is a symphony of performance. From the low growl at idle to the high-pitched fury at full throttle, it's a sound that gets under your skin. And yet, for all its track-bred aggression, the CBR remains approachable. It doesn't intimidate, it inspires. The clutch is light. The gearbox is buttery smooth. The Quickshifter makes every upshift satisfying and every downshift clean. It's a bike that can cruise through traffic just as easily as it can lap a circuit. That duality is rare, and Honda has perfected it. It's also a visual masterpiece. The sculpted fuel tank, winglets integrated into the fairings for downforce, the exposed aluminum frame, and the signature CBR tail. It all comes together in a design that's elegant and aggressive. Whether in matte black, HRC tricolor, or fireblade red, the bike looks fast standing still. Every bolt, every contour, every piece of bodywork feels intentional. There's a legacy behind this machine. A name built on decades of racing dominance, World Superbike podiums, and Isle of Man TT glory. The CBR 1000RR is the modern evolution of that legacy. A machine designed not just to honor the past, but to dominate the future. Riders around the world recognize it for what it is, a scalpel in a world of hammers. Whether you're a weekend warrior, a canyon chaser, or a track day addict, the CBR meets you where you are and takes you further. It's not just fast, it's composed. It's not just thrilling, it's refined. It's a reminder that the best machines are the ones that disappear beneath you, letting you focus on the road, the speed, the feeling. Thank you for riding with us today on One Spot. If the CBR 1000RR made your heart race, if you could feel the wind through your helmet and the scream of that engine in your soul, then you're already part of our world. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and ride with us as we explore the machines that define performance, style, and passion. This is One Spot, and we've only just begun.